Need to recover a previous version of an Excel spreadsheet and found an XLK file in the same folder? This is exactly what you need. An automatic backup created by Excel itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to restore your data from these Excel backup files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective XLK file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An XLK file is a backup copy of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, XLS, or template, XLT. Excel automatically creates this file when the Always Create Backup option is enabled, providing a recovery point in case the original file is corrupted or accidentally deleted. Users typically open it to restore a previous version. The internal structure of an XLK file is identical to its corresponding XLS file, which is a binary format known as the Binary Interchange File Format, BIFF. The only difference is the extension, which signals to the operating system and Excel that it is a backup copy, not the primary working document. The proper file association links XLK directly to the Microsoft Excel solution by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot open most vendor-specific backup files, so dedicated utilities must handle them. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's signature. Right-click the XLK file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Excel if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your XLK file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, renaming to XLS Extension. The simplest way to access an XLK file is to make a copy of it and rename the extension from .xlk to .xls. Microsoft Excel will then open the renamed file directly as a standard workbook, with all original content intact. Always work with a copy to preserve the original backup for safety. Next, opening directly in Excel. In recent versions of Excel, use File then Open, and change the file type filter to All Files to display XLK files. Select the XLK file and Excel will recognize it as a backup and open it normally. Save the file with a new name in XLSX format to convert it to the modern Excel format. Finally, configuring backup creation. To enable XLK backup creation for future workbooks, open the workbook in Excel, use File, then Save. Then click Tools, then General Options. Check the Always Create Backup option. Excel will then automatically maintain an XLK backup alongside your XLS file, with each save operation providing version safety. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.